My new book, Rhythm of Youth, is almost ready. I'm going over, making a lot of revisions at the moment. It's about 300 pages. I'm estimating it might be 320, 350 by the time I'm completely done with it. And it's been already accepted for publication. I will give you a taste of what it's about. It's about all the technology, then all the years, 48 years of research that we spent to create this language, this new language that we are using with the Virtue Gem and the Aelios to communicate with the body. And language is a very important thing. We are the only species, humans, that have language, that we can intertwine and harmonize sounds and waveforms within the sounds and phonemes and words and phrases to create a communication between us. We invented a new language for the body, and we're the only ones, to my knowledge, that will have done that. I will read you the abstract. That book is going to explain how we got there and all the different technologies that we have used that include not just medicine, but physics, mathematics, music, psychology. All of those areas combined to create the understanding, the concept of gave us the ability to create this formula that can be translated as the language of the body. This is the abstract. Rhythm of Youth, Music of the Body. The co-inventor of the first pacemaker at London University inspired my scientific quest for the biological cipher that determines the synergy of wellness, synchronization. I was fascinated by the cryptic protein dialogues that weave the strings of life, the intricate mechanisms of systemic balance and the toxic microchanges that disrupt it. I see aging as a disorder of youth. After years of sleepless nights, 48 of them, we synthesize the language of signals that resonates with vital control, central control mechanisms. This crosstalk boosts metabolism, realigns hormones, and synchronizes the entire body to turn back the clock. Music of life flows through our veins to decongest blocked energy, reconnect neuronal networks, and delay biological decline. An individual is a gestalt of intimate body-mind liaisons that repair physical dysfunction and clear out emotional debris. Harmonized intercommunication is the foundation of health. The rhythm of youth is amplified by creativity and spiritual inspiration, the melody of nature. The supersymmetry of physical, psychological, spiritual shines within a gestalt of exponential wellness and harmonious stillness.